Best Teacher Award for the year 2022-2023 is being awarded to Professor Dr. Muhammad Faraaz of School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences. Dr. Muhammad Faraaz joined us in 2014 and currently serving as a professor at School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences. During last 1 year, Dr. Muhammad Faraaz average student feedback was 88.04%. He has supervised 3 PhD students, a total of 40 master students, and 30 plus final year projects of undergraduates. During his stay at NAST, he has 50 plus journal publications, 60 plus conference publications, with a cumulative impact factor of more than 300. Dr. Muhammad Muazzam is included in the list of the world's top 2% scientists compiled by the Stanford University in 2019 and 2022. His accolades extend to receiving the British Council UK Alumni Award in 2020. He has also secured 3 patents demonstrating innovation in his field. Moreover, Professor Dr. Muazzam has been awarded 10 significant research grants for over 200 million PKR, underscoring his commitment to advancing the realms of knowledge and research. So for his outstanding performance, Dr. Muhammad Muazzam Faraaz of School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences has been declared as the best teacher of the university for the year 2022-2023. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Muhammad Muazzam Faraaz. Now I request.
Please announce the chief guest has awarded him ₹1 million.
The chief guest awarded ₹1 million for Dr. Muazzam.